Hi, I'm Karol Klanowski from Polished Woodworking, and this is my entry for the Christmas Ornament Challenge that was announced by Carl and Alan. I specially learned how to turn for this contest and bought a lathe, and this is what I made. This is a droplet and water, and with the droplets there are some different shapes like a mushroom or acorn. This is something that reminds me of autumn, that is passing by to go to the winter, and winter is when Christmas is. And this is something like melting ice changing to water. This reminds me of the usual Christmas that we have in Poland, that was snow before Christmas, and on Christmas Day it was all melting down. So this is what reminds me of Christmas. I made it, the top part is squarish. I didn't finish it just to make it square, and I finished the bottom also with the square sides just to make it whole piece. This is the top part is made from oak, and the bottom is made from, I think it's ipe or tali. This is African hardwood. I got some boards and I don't know exactly what it is. It's connected on the wire. I drilled small hole. I think I also gonna make a small hook, and that you can also hang it on a tree, and you can use that as an ashtray. It can have double purpose. I'm very pleased of it. It was my third turn piece in my life. So I hope you like it. Please comment below and share, like and subscribe to my channel. And if you want to see how I made this, just watch the rest of the video. I'm gonna put some stills on the end of the video. One more thing, I forget that I want to show you tools I was using to make this piece. First, I was using the spindle roughing gouge. I was using also this tool. Anyone can tell me what this is called? I was using the round nose scraper, parting tool, the skew chisel but double-sided, ball gouge, and last but not least a hacksaw blade. If you want to see what I was using it for, stay tuned for the video.